The Information and Public Relations Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan has expressed that unverified news or unconfirmed news must not be published or uploaded as it creates several problems and difficulties for the general public. The statement was made yesterday during observation of World Television Day 2023 as a part of the Golden Jubilee celebration of All Manipur Working Journalists Union at Manipur Press Club. IPR Minister further continued that television is now an essential component of the present today, and in the past 15 years, a great change has come on how we see and how we looked at televisions. He stated that YouTubers and media persons must first verify and confirm the news before uploading or publishing the same, while noting that once seen in televisions, it leaves a great impact in the minds of general public.
1996 it's almost 27 years in the World Television Day in a formal way that celebrate the functions health department so many days we have so many days. Health is the mental health day, sight day, heart day, adu day, diabetes day, hepatitis day, we have AIDS day. Function day, so another day I function attend the World Television Day. I attend the work function.